Use the breadcrumbs to return to your projects page. Open the Share Changes tab to see your changes. Click the Share button to share your changes with your collaborators. Enter a description for your submission. Click the Share button to submit your changes. Open the View History tab. Click Version to create a version of your changes. Enter a name and a description for your version and then click Create. Click Connect to connect to your Git repository. Enter the address for your repository and your security credentials. Click the Connect button to establish the connection. After connecting to your Git repository, return to your projects page. Open the Deploy tab. Check the status of your decision service. Click Deploy to deploy your decision service to your Git repository. Click Deploy in the message to complete the deployment. The deployment status changes when the deployment finishes. Visit your Git repository to see the deployed files. You have completed this video series.